The fourth most common question we get is what to do if an attachment fell off. So sometimes an attachment falling off is really important. We need to fix it ASAP. Sometimes those attachments are there just for retention. It's kind of hard to tell. So what I like to have you do is take a picture of it. And if you can text it, we have that after hours work phone that you should have the number for. If you can text the picture to that and then, or, email it to the office email if it's during business hours. And I can advise you on what to do next. So not necessarily like you got to get back in right away. Sometimes we can wait till your next appointment and just correct it then. But most importantly, if you can just kind of take a picture. Now that we have the Invisalign virtual care, you can send me a picture that way as well. It's a great way to communicate.